toys reviewing the Peppa Shopkins Shoppies. Ordered it off of Amazon, including with a puppet doll. So here's Peppermint. She likes to go to her favorite hobbyist, one of her best friends. And her best friends is Icy Bowl and Claire Cone, and her favorite place to go is the Cool Dream Ice Cream Parlor. She comes with a VIP card and a brush, 2 Shopkins accessories, and then the doll. So let me pause the video so I can get her open. Okay, so here she is out of her box. Sweet little garbage. Here is one of her best friends, Claire Cone. So one of her best friends, Claire Cone. And here is another one of her best friends, Icy Bowl. Her VIP card. Here's the back of it, but I'm not showing you her code. Her nice little purse. And look, her brush that looks like a nice little popsicle. This is what she looks like. There's a nice little headband with an ice cream bow and a couple scoops. Minty green hair. Like it has a little like a chocolate waffle cone drizzled with chocolate syrup. And it looks like her skirt has some sprinkles, and her shoes are like waffle cone with some ice cream. And this is her stuff. I'm going to leave you a link to my sister's video of the review of Pop It. She will ever do it. But okay. And if you ever heard that biting and stuff, that was from